Good afternoon, everyone. Hello. It's a privilege to be here at OSFF New York. This is my second time. I was here last year, too. Among so many brilliant minds shaping the future of financial technology, amazing audience, great line of speakers. So really, it's huge to be here. I'm excited to share our journey with FINOS, whether it's our progress with FDC3 and a vision to intelligent collaboration across financial ecosystem. So what we did as BlackRock. So BlackRock joined FINOS with a clear purpose to help drive open innovation in financial services. We saw the potential of open source to break silos, accelerate interoperability, and unlock new possibilities, whether it's for ourselves or for our clients. My own journey to vice chair has been deeply rooted into this mission, working alongside many of you, visionaries, leaders, engineers, who believe in the power of community-driven standards to transform our industry. With this, I'll go to our next slide. So this is what we did last year, October 2024, where Aladdin was certified as FDC3. What that means that from an infrastructure perspective, we are all ready to interop, whether it's between Aladdin applications or with our clients. However, as first set of use cases that's there in production is all about how FDC3 use cases for Aladdin has enabled this unified communication layer across our web and desktop applications. This is a major milestone in streamlining all of Aladdin ecosystem. As we are talking about FDC3, it's very important to call out FDC3 security demo that is led by Elizabeth from BlackRock and our partners from Nomura, Morgan Stanley, RBC, Symphony, and others. You will see a live demonstration of what is called multi-firm trust interoperability. It's a glimpse into the future of secure and seamless collaboration. Don't miss this session, and if you are passionate about testing, tooling, solving complex problems, and making it simpler for the community, this is the session to go to. Your voice really matters. New faces, new possibilities. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome Elgin White to our FDC3 community. Elgin brings fresh energy, perspective, and together we are exploring new abstractions and features that could reshape how we think about interoperability. And let's not forget our Chris Watson, who is leading the charge as the maintainer of what we call FDC3 Sail. It's a FINOS project, which is an open source FDC3 agent running entirely inside the browser. Very exciting. Earlier this year, Elizabeth, basically a shameless plug, Elizabeth is from BlackRock, and she is one of my favorite colleagues. So she published a blog on the future of FDC3 and AI. It was very well received internally in BlackRock, and we managed to publish it externally as well recently. It is basically talking about intelligent agents, context-aware workflows, and how open source together can do the magic in converging and redefining our financial services. I could stop here a little bit. You can scan the QR code, read that blog, and please post your comments. All the comments are welcome and help shape one of the most important agenda and initiatives that we are running across in FINOS. Now that we are talking about FDC3, AI, and this blog, I want to share that in the role as FINOS Vice Chair, I've seen an extraordinary upswing when it comes to acceleration in AI across all of FINOS projects, from governance to controls and architecture and interoperability. Every financial institution, doesn't matter buy side, well side, we all want to do AI in different initiatives, and we want to adapt AI. However, as we all know, it's not easy. Adoption is not easy, and there are a bunch of governance and controls that we all need to go through when we talk about from making it a POC to dev to production. My team calls it moving mountains and moving earth. And that's where, like, at BlackRock, we have been learning this firsthand through our own AI evaluations, offline, online testing, validation frameworks, legally aligned guardrails, working with our legal team. But what's exciting and maybe a little daunting as well, that this is not our own specific problem. It's across every industry. It's across finance. And this is where FINOS really matters, like how we come together in this open source world, talking about our common problems, not selling our IP, but it is where, a thing like AI and governance, I call it an opportunity where open source is a strategy and a framework, and probably not a specific solution. But it is important to come together as a community and talk about what are the things that we are facing and see what are the common things that we face as an industry and how to go about it when we are thinking about standards. The other thing, and what Frank mentioned about AI and developer community, that's another interesting angle that we have been seeing in the world of FINOS, when there are more contributions to our FINOS projects, and we could see with AI tools and things like that. Why it matters? Because it's not just accelerating the developer productivity and such, but it is opening channels for people who might not be of technical background from before. So be it business analysts, our citizen developers, or product managers, they all can contribute to FINOS projects, and we could see an upswing there. Believe me or not, our hackathon projects in FINOS, or even in our organization, was really amazing. They were better than what hackathon projects would generally look like. They were not POCs or prototypes. They were literally like MVPs, minimum viable products that we could think about shipping. And it's huge. It's great. Why I'm talking about that, because when it's FDC3 AI, FINOS, there is this encouragement that we can all have in our respective organizations how to contribute to FINOS projects. Anyhow, coming back to specifically talking about AI and FDC3, think about a world where intelligent agents from different organizations can interop or talk to each other with the right context, trigger specific workflows, and generate insights. Do it in a way which is safe, transparent, and resilient. That's going to be huge. And that is what, it's difficult. It's tricky, as I said, with all the things that AI does with hallucinations, toxicity, guardrails that we all need to figure out together, but it's doable. And that's the future at FINOS that we are all committed to and working towards when we talk about FDC3 AI and FINOS. Thank you.